I'm Terry Kimball. I'm the President and CEO here at the Chandler Chamber, and we are so excited to bring you this new video series on healthcare options for your small business. And today I have with me, joining me, Shelley Winson with True Choice Benefits. Shelley, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm really pleased to be involved in this project.
Well, healthcare and insurance is such a complicated issue. I'm a small business. How do I find health insurance for my business?
And that answer is as unique as each small business owner, and small business is unique because everyone's situation is a little different. The first question we would ask would be, do you have employees? And if you do you want to help pay for some of those benefits for your employees? In today's market, that is actually the best way to get the widest, most broad range of options for your employees. We have state programs that can help pay the premiums for the first 3 years you offer benefits. We have more health insurance companies offering small business plans versus individual plans. And we have PPO plans available, which individuals do not have.
Explain what PPO is.
Yeah, which individuals do not have anymore. So under the broad topic of managed care, we have things such as PPOs and HMOs. Most Americans prefer PPOs because they give you more choice. PPO stands for Preferred Provider Organization, and it means that you have a network of doctors and medical facilities where you can go and get discounts and save money. But if you don't want to go to someone in the network, you still have benefits. If you go outside the network, you can go to any medical provider that you want to see. HMOs are different. HMOs stands for Health Maintenance Organization, and the way that HMOs control cost is to control what providers you can see. So again, you have a network of providers, but you have to receive care from those providers if you want to get any benefit at all. Americans really prefer PPOs because we like our choice and we like our flexibility. And with the small group options, we have more health insurance companies, we have more PPO options, and we have the other HMO options that also offer a lower cost as well. So there's a really wide range of things employers can do. On the individual side here in Arizona, we are much more limited. Unfortunately, for example, in Maricopa County, if a business owner or a person wanted to buy their own insurance, the only thing they have available to them are HMO plans that have local networks and most of which don't connect to national networks outside of the area where we live. So for many business owners, it's more attractive to offer insurance that they would also offer to their employees, but of course there's a cost to that. And so a business owner needs to weigh which is going to be the best option for them.